Okay, thank you for a chance. We are from Group 2 will present about our project. Previously, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Teresia Rumahorbo and my friend.
My name is Leonardo Saragi.
My name is Adi Baistorus.
We are from a computer technology study program at the Dell Institute of Technology. Outline for our presentation is introduction, which consists of topic, background, and scope. And then system overview, include current and target system. And then general description, include product main function, ER diagram, and demo project.
Topic and background. In here, our topic is website information of communication with lecturer. Background. There are three parts. The first part is website of information and communication with lecturer is a website built using PHP with HTML, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and CSS. The second, this website is system used to view lecturer schedule. It has information about how to anticipate various student barrier in receiving lecturer information and obstacle to making appointment with lecturer. The third, the main purpose of this system is to make it easier for students to know the lecturer schedule, both teaching schedule and personal schedule, and make it easier to send appointment requests to lecturer. Scope. There are three parts. The first part is the system can only be accessed by users who already have their own account. The system can only be accessed according to user access right as admin, lecturer, and student. The last, the student can only be accessed with a compatible web browser. System overview. There are two parts. The first part is current system and target system.
Okay, for the first is current system. Current system membuat janji temu. In general, the current system involves interaction between students and lecturer for academic related meetings such as discussion about course or assignment and of each semester project, student organization or other academic activities. For the business process, if students want to have a meeting with the lecturer, students will first send a message to the lecturer, such as via WhatsApp. Then students will wait. If the lecturer replies to the message, the students and the lecturer will have a meeting. Conversely, the lecturer doesn't reply, then the student will meet with the lecturer or the meeting is cancelled. And then for the second, target system. For the first of target system is authentication. You can see this the business process of the authentication process. Admin creates student and lecturer accounts. Then students and lecturer can log in and can access the website. For the second, target system menambah atau input jadwal. The business process describe the schedule input process. First, the user will log in, then will input the teaching schedule or personal schedule and then publish to the system. And three, target system membuat janji temu. The business process illustrates the process of making appointment. The first users will access the website and then check the lecturer schedule. Students will request an appointment if the lecturer is available. And then
Last, target system. Approve dan menampilkan list janji temu. First, the lecturer must enter the system start checking the appointment request notification. If the lecturer is willing, the action will be approved after the appointment will be included and displayed in the appointment list. Accept and display the appointment list. General description. General description consists of product main function. Product main function consists of authentication function and information manage function. Authentication function consists of login and logout. Information manage function consists of the first, appointment request function. Second, add the schedule function. Third, the lecture data search function. And last, approve and the appointment the function list function. ER diagram. This is ER diagram picture. This diagram is used to illustration the relation of the entity. This diagram will be used a reference in developing website. Next. Now we want to demo website. This is the admin page. Enter the admin username and password. After login, in the main dashboard will be displayed on the first dashboard. The number of students and lecturer will be displayed, and the appointment status can be viewed on the website. If we click on the lecture list, it will display several lecture lists. Can we see the lecture list? If we click on the student list, it will display a list of student account. Okay. If we click on the appointment list, it will be display the input appointment list. Here we some appointment list that have been input by the user. Next, if we click on the schedule input, it will display the schedule input by the lecturer, and us and admin can also add to the schedule. Next, if you click schedule, see schedule, it's the display of the lecture personal schedule. Thanks for the attention. This admin page.
Okay, I will explain about student page. We input username and password of student. Okay, if we enter as students, it will be directed to the student page. This is the main page of the students page. The main page of students will display the data for students. This is data for student, like this. Students can edit data like this. And this is display for editing students' data. And then of the lecturer data menu, a search form and some data from the lecturer will be displayed like this. If in the search menu, I enter Leo like this, okay, a lecturer name Leo will be displayed. ID akun dosen, nama, jenis kelamin, and the last email. After that, we can press the schedule button if we want to see the schedule. And the request appointment button if we want to send an appointment. This is the form of send the appointment like this. Then in the request appointment menu, a list of appointment will be displayed with its status, waiting, and receive. This is the list. Then if we want to add an appointment, then we can choose the appointment menu. Here the user will fill in the form and click the click save button. Automatically, the result of the request will be displayed in the form list. And also, if we choose the jadwal menu, it will display lecturer schedule data in the form of list. The schedule can be in the form of lecturer teaching students and lecturer personal students. And then will be explained for my friend.
Okay, now I will explain lecture page. The first we will log in. In here, this is display of lecture page. There is an ID docent, nama, email, and the others. If we click Daftar Mahasiswa, there will display all the data of the mahasiswa. The first name is Deoresia, Adiboy, dan Sonia. If we click Jadwal, there will display all of Jadwal of dosen. There will display ID, tanggal, hari, jam, and sampai jam dan kegiatan serta gedung dan opsi. Dan juga menampilkan jadwal pribadi dosen. Yang ditampilkan yaitu ID jadwal, tanggal, jam, dan kegiatan. Contohnya ID jadwal 2, tanggal 2020 bulan 5 tanggal 24, jam 13.45.00, kegiatan rapat dosen, dan ada opsi. Kita dapat, and we can also edit the data and delete data. In here, we can also add some add some data. The form like this. If we click janji temu, it will display like this. There is an ID mahasiswa request, tanggal request, jam awal dan jam akhir, serta keterangan. If we click lihat semua janji temu, it will display like this. All of data and have been added. And also if we click ID mahasiswa, it will display nama, example Teresia Rumorbo. And then if we click list janji temu and click check calendar, it will display like this, all of schedule. And then if we click list janji temu, it will display like this.
Okay, all. This is the result of our presentation. We apologize if there is a shortage. Thank you.